How to make a notebook in Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make notebook in Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Canva, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is an online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content such as presentations, posters, social media posts, logos, and more at ease. It features a simple drag and drop interface, making it accessible even those with little to no design experience. And Canva also offers 1,000 of customizable templates, fonts, images, and design elements to help users bring their ideas to life. So now, after creating your account by clicking the link in the description, you'll automatically be directed in here. And to start creating a notebook, you can use the templates option by clicking on the left side panel, and the search bar, kindly search notebooks. Upon searching on it, you should be able to see a variety of results upon clicking or entering here this notebook on the search bar. And as you can see in here, some of it need to have a pro account to navigate, but some of it are offered for free. So I'm just going to simply choose here the kind of notebook that I want to create with or use a template. So for instance, in this option, I'm going to choose this one. However, it is already has a written on it. So I'm just going to simply choose the blank one with the design simple on it. Let's say this one. From here, you can choose the sizes and click customize this template button. Once done, you'll automatically be directed on this Canva, or you can simply customize everything on it, including the design, the color, the background, the text, and many more. Upon clicking the plus button, it will automatically be directed or lead you to add more kind of same context or design. As you can see, we have here kind of 3 notes blank on it, and the first page will serve as our cover of our notes. And to add a cover, you can create your own, or you can navigate on the design option on the left side panel and search notebook cover. Upon searching on templates also, just choose your kind of template that you prefer. You can simply click on it to proceed. Upon clicking this one, as you can see, you have here now our option. Instead of this name, so you can see under notebook, I'm going to enter here yours truly. But you will also start customizing the background of it, the context, the font size, font style, to make it bold, italic, and many more. So you can see from here, it is a beach cover. So for the following note, I'm just simply going to customize this. I'm going to delete the other notes designed, and I'm going to go under the element section on the left side panel to search for graphics, which is applicable for beach. I'm going to graphics section, and I'm going to simply paste, for instance, this one, which is a tree, coconut tree, that you could also be found on a beach. You can start resizing it and put it below in here, and even adjust the opacity to not make it really highlighted or bold in our notes. So this is basically what it looks like. Upon doing so, you could also go on the other note section in here and simply delete the other design. I'm going to paste click this one as an example. Again, just simply resize this one and put it below here. Change the opacity or adjust this one to not make it highlight really. So as you can see, we've now successfully add a more design, which is quite simple for our notes. And I'm going to do the same process in here on the following notes. I'm going to add this one as an example and change the opacity or adjust it correctly. But again, make sure to simply do it manually if you want to, and make it more creative depending on your preferences. Today is basically, as you can see, what it looks like, and you can add more and more elements in here, but make sure it is inside this Canva notes. Again, adjust the opacity of it to not make it highlight really. And now lastly, for our ending page or notebook, for example, I'm just going to simply paste the other elements or cover, which is this one once again. And instead of notebook text, I'm going to make it the end, in which this will serve as the back page of our notebook when it has been printed. Or if you really want to simply sell this notebook as a PDF or just as a digital product in here. And again, you could enter or copy many blank notes like this one, as many as you can, and design it depending on your preferences. Now aside from here, you could also start customizing the background color or the design on it by clicking the design section and click styles. From here, for instance, in here, the cover, I'm going to change to make it green background by clicking on it. Or this one, you can simply apply all of this directly. It will automatically adjust depending on your selected color, as you can see. But in all of this, I'm just going to simply choose the color blue, which is applicable for the beach, as a background of our cover of this book or notebook. I'm going to do the same process on the following notes in here. So basically, as you can see, this is what it looks like upon choosing the color. So you can simply click depending on the color palette. But for the last notes, or for the last in here, the color that I'm going to choose is different to give you an idea what it looks like upon having a distinct or a variety of color that you can simply input or design. But as you can see, this is just how easy to simply design or using the editing tools that you can find on the left side panel to navigate all the tools in here. So again, I'm just going to simply make this color like this one. Moving on the left side panel, you could also navigate to add a text by clicking the text section, and I'm going to enter here a text box, and I'm going to input your name in here so that if it is printed, the owner can simply enter their corresponding name in here as the sign of their ownership. And eventually you can even upload a photos or other media files in here from your computer if you want to. I'm going to input here this text directly below this one notebook. So this is basically what it looks like. You could also do the same process in here. So as you can see, we have here a sample kind of notebook that has been now created. If you're now satisfied with the result, you can quickly copy or click the share button on the top right corner, but make sure to simply download as a PDF if you want to be printed this notebook, either PDF standard or PDF print, and choose here the color profile. And once done, just click the download button to proceed. So basically, as you can see, creating a notebook here in Canva help you to personalize and visually appealing tool in organizing thoughts, notes, plans, or even creative ideas. And Canva allows users to customize notebooks, covers, and pages with various templates, colors, fonts, and graphics to match their preferences or branding. And overall, that's just how you can make a notebook in Canva. Thank you.